I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend, and these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
What do you do when you get up in the morning, the first thing in the morning? Do you look at the phone which is kept aside, pick it up and start scrolling through? Or you are in a hurry to go to the washroom quickly? Or you go to the washroom, you carry your phone with you, and then you start scrolling and looking at everything for a good amount of 15-20 minutes till the time the nature's call is taken care of? What do you do when you get up in the morning? Welcome to Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and today's discussion is going to be what do I do when I get up in the morning and what you should be actually doing when you get up in the morning. Although we keep listening to a lot of gyan all around us, फ़ोन को दूर रख के सोया करो, दूसरे रूम में रख के सोया करो, सुबह उठते ही फ़ोन मत देखा करो, there is always a repercussion for that. But they say that we learn gradually. We learn gradually as and when we experience things and we understand things better. So 5 to 6 things I'm going to talk about. What is it that your schedule should be in the morning? Especially the first half an hour, beyond which your entire day, either you're making or you're breaking. So, first and foremost, when you get up in the morning, the first and the foremost thing which I do and which I always say is express your gratitude. When you open your eyes, the first thing you need to do is just express your gratitude. Now, gratitude to Almighty, gratitude to the one who has brought you here, and gratitude to the universe, gratitude to God. So, generally, what I do is I wake up, I open my palms, and I do the prayer. And the prayer is Karagre Vasate Lakshmi Kar Madhye Saraswati Kar Mule Govindam Prabhate Kar Darshanam. I look at it and then I just take the blessings as if they're coming from up above, and I kiss my hands. This practice I started when I was a very small child because my father used to do it and I used to see what he's doing and I started following in him up. So when we start our day with the gratitude, all of a sudden we will feel that there's a lot of cajoling, there's a lot of happiness, there is a lot of contentment. The energies don't go haywire. The second important thing that you need to do is after that, while you are still in the bed, just close your eyes for a while, take 5 deep breaths. 5 deep breaths you have to take, and then close your eyes gently and set your intentions for the day. Intentions for the day, when I say, probably I'll create another video for this, that's part of meditation. If you think you're not able to meditate for a long duration of time, then you can do this, just a small little 2 minutes intentions for the day, wherein you are only thinking about, okay, today I'm going to have this beautiful day. You are envisaging that and you are thinking that morning it's going to be like this, afternoon this is what I intend to plan, and afternoon and evenings and the day for the entire day. When you think about it, when you envisage it, when you set your intentions for the day, believe you me, 90% of the things start falling in the same way, because you are clear in your thought process that today my course of action is going to be 1 2 3 4 5, whatever it is, and it has to be a very positive one, right? Third important thing, get up from the bed, make your bed. Very important. Why I always say, and we read everywhere, you should make your bed. Just don't leave the linen like that, don't leave the pillows like that and the crushed bed. Why? Because when you will be leaving it like that, it implicates your Rahu. One, the Rahu becomes a little naughty, a negative, and it starts troubling you. Your focus on your mind does not stay there, because then we do not feel good. If you look at it, then I'll say we do not feel good if we enter the room and the bed is not made. It's not looking nice, right? So make your bed, ensure that the linen is at proper place. You have folded the bed sheet and you have folded everything and properly laid up bed, so that you look at it and you feel happy. So make your bed well, because not only for Rahu but for your own self also, because your beginning of the day has to be perfect in order. Then the next thing which is important is you will walk up to a mirror. Of course, you have to go to the washroom, you can use the washroom, and then you will look at you in the mirror and you're going to appreciate yourself. You're going to say, at least, first and foremost, you will smile. Second, speak at least 4 to 5 sentences which you are speaking positive about yourself. The first thing, you look at the mirror, don't start finding faults कि आज पिंपल निकल आया, आज ये तिल निकल आया. No, just appreciate your aura, appreciate how beautiful you are, and tell yourself that I love you, Neeti. Thank you, God, for creating such a wonderful and amazing masterpiece of yours. And just say, stay thankful to Almighty and cherish what God has made you. Last but not the least, very important aspect, you will have to forgive yourself. You will have to forgive yourself. I'm not talking about forgiving anybody else for the yesterday's mistake. It can be a mistake done by anybody else, but that disturbed your peace of mind, that made you restless, that troubled you. So if something of that kind happened, you will have to ensure that you will be seeking forgiveness from your own self. All right, this you will do, and try and do at least one act of generosity which is going to do wonders to you. When you start doing these, you will find sea changes in your mood, in your temperament, in your emotional state of mind, and the entire day, how it begins and how it ends. Believe you me, even if you practice half of them, you will find there will be total change in your entire behavior, entire day, entire everything. So thank you so very much. My cat wants to go out, and she has been, I think most of the time you have seen her already in most of my videos, many of my videos, when she barges in, and now she wants to go out. So thank you so much. I'll just wind it up here. Thank you so very much for being with us. Thank you so very much for loving, liking, sharing, and making me feel very, very super special about everything, and for all the love that you give me, for all the motivation that you give me, to entire my Instagram family, my YouTube family, and to everyone. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless. Stay abundant.